Ever wondered why we hiccup? Let's dive into this quirky bodily function. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, a muscle under your lungs, suddenly contracts. This makes you inhale quickly, and your vocal cords snap shut, causing that hic sound. But why does this happen? It can be triggered by eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or even feeling excited or stressed. Sometimes, a hiccup attack is your body's way of saying it's irritated by something. To stop hiccups, try holding your breath or sipping cold water. Fun fact, did you know that babies hiccup even before they're born? Now, jump into the chat below, hit like, share, and drop your questions or thoughts. Let's get everyone talking and learning together.